Hello, I'm Nola and I'm going to read you a story today, and the story is How the Birds Got Their Colours, and it's been told by Mary Albert, and I really love the pictures in this book. The colours are really bright. Come and have a look at all of the pictures when I read the story to you. Just turning the page and opening up the first page. This is all black here, but you can see there's a bird shape there, and it's in bright orangey red. How the birds got their colours. This is the story of how the birds got their colours. Long ago, in the dream time, when the land and animals were being made, all the birds were black, all one colour. There's 4 black birds here, flying up in the sky. Till one day, a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big, juicy grub. But instead, he landed right on a sharp stick. Look at that sharp stick pointing out of the ground there. Yow. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days he lay on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying. He doesn't look very well at all. And look how big his foot is. All his mates gathered around to see how they could help. All of them except for Crow. He just wandered around with his hands behind his back. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward and with her sharp beak burst the little dove's swollen foot. That's letting all the bad poison out of the little dove's foot come out. But look what happens. Colour splashed out all over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down her chest, wings and tail. Have you seen parrots like this? It splashed out all over the other birds. Some got red, some got brown, some blue, and some yellow. Some got spots, some got stripes. All got colours. All except Crow, who was standing away from the others. Crow got no colour at all. So that's how the birds got their colours. And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanked the parrot, and was able to fly away. At the back of the book, there's a picture of one of the children who painted the beautiful pictures in this book. She lives up in Broome.